Prove that 1 erg is equal to 10 raised power minus 7 joule is 1 erg is equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. As we know that 1 dyne is equal to 10 raised power minus 5 Newton and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised power minus 2 meter. So by putting the given values, so 1 erg will be equal to 1 dyne is equal to 10 raised power minus 5 Newton. So 10 raised power minus 5 Newton into 1 centimeter, which is equal to 10 raised power minus 2 meter. So 1 erg will be equal to, is when bases are same, then we will add the powers. So it will be 10 raised power minus 5 minus 2 Newton into meter. So 1 erg will be equal to 10 raised power minus 5 minus 2, it will be minus 7, is Newton into meter is equal to joule. So it will be equal to 10 raised power minus 7 joule. So this is our required condition, or we can also write it as 1 joule is equal to 10 raised power 7 erg. Thank you.